Stocks rose for a sixth consecutive gain on the heels of a rally in commodities and commodity stocks. It's the longest winning streak the S&P 500 has seen in almost 2 months. For more details, let's go to Courtney Donohoe at the New York Stock Exchange. Courtney.
And you said it, Pim. Stocks started out the day in the green, but we did see a pullback in the equity market around 2 p.m. Eastern time, and that's right around the time Al-Qaeda in Yemen took responsibility for the attempted bombing of that Northwest Airlines flight back on Christmas Day. But stocks managed to move higher in the last few minutes of trading. And also, we have to remember that it was a low volume day today, and it'll likely be for the rest of the week. Investors, they're definitely taking a break for the holidays. So many of the moves that we saw in the market today may have been accentuated with this low volume. But we'll first start talking about the airline stocks. Delta, American Airlines parent AMR, UAL, all of them lower today on concerns about airline security. The president has ordered a government review of terrorist detection methods. Now, another group struggling today, those financials, and Morgan Stanley, American Express, JP Morgan Chase, all finishing the day lower. Now, the Fed announcing a program for mopping up some of that liquidity in the banking system. In the meantime, this year's holiday sales are giving retailers something to cheer about, thanks to online and last-minute shopping. MasterCard advisors saying retail sales from the beginning of November through Christmas rose more than 3.5%. Macy's and Walmart, two of the names that were higher in today's session. And finally, a new year and a new outlook for the economy. Now, according to a Bloomberg News survey, the U.S. economy is expected to turn in its best performance since 2004 next year. Dean Mackey, he's the chief U.S. economist at Barclays Capital, and Bloomberg News rated him the #1 economic forecaster in 2009. Well, he told us that a rebound in stocks and rising incomes will prompt Americans to do what we do best, and that's spend. Pim?
Thank you very much. Courtney Donohoe reporting.